Hi guys, welcome back on the cardistry tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys a simple but beautiful move which I made by combining 3 cuts: the Sybil cut, the molecule cut and the 50k cut. And it's a really nice move, and I call this move obscure because I don't know the name of this flourish and I can't think of a good name, so I call this obscure. But if you guys can think of a good name, then please put them down in comments below and I will pick a good name and I will change the move on that name. So please put some names in the comments below and also enjoy this video. Let's go.
Let's go.
So guys, welcome back to the tutorial of that flourish which I call the obscure. Now before I start the flourish, first get familiar with those 3 cuts, because if you are really fresh and just starting out in cardistry, you will not be able to do this flourish. So please first get down the basics and get familiar with these 3 cuts. Links down below in the description box. Now we're gonna start with the flourish. So first of all, hold the cards in the straddle grip, which looks something like this. Then go ahead and break off into the Z formation, which looks something like that. Then we're going to take the index finger and break it into an advanced Z type formation like that. So now you are here. Then at this point you're going to go ahead and take this right hand, in this case just go ahead and twist it and grab the middle packet over here, which I'm shaking right now. Just grab it with your middle and your thumb and take it out like that. So this is the first step of the Sybil. Once again, get familiar with those cuts. So now once you are here, you're going to do the 50k flourish. So you're going to hold it with your middle and thumb, okay? Then with your index, just go ahead and just push this packet down and support that with the other index, like so, over here. Then you just pinch this packet like you do in the 50k flourish, okay? Once again, links down below. Then you do the rest of the part of the 50k flourish. Then you are here. Then this packet is going to go ahead and you just flip it on top like that in a one swift motion. Now what you're left with is this out jog packet over here. So now you're going to do a really cool move, and this is the hardest move of this whole card finish, I think. So you just take it out like so. Then you're going to hold it with the other hand in mechanics grip. Then with this hand you're going to do a deck flip, which looks something like this, but you're going to do this deck flip on top of this packet, okay? So the card takes off from your hand but lands on this packet, okay? So it's really hard, and when I was practicing this move, the cards used to fall here and there. So it's really hard. So just first use some old decks to practice this. So you're gonna go ahead, let me just try this over here. Alright, so it worked just like that and you are done with the flourish. But here's a snap recap. First go ahead, break out in the Z formation, advanced Z formation, do the first step of the Sybil, then do the 50k flourish, almost the whole 50k flourish. So you just do this, come over here, then you take it out and put it down like that. Then you take this packet out, hold this packet in the other hand and just flip this packet on top like that. And that's basically how you do the obscure flourish. Okay, so it's really easy, and once you get that down, you're gonna do it in a really swift motion and it will look completely beautiful. So guys, that was the flourish, and I hope you guys were able to learn the flourish. And also get familiar with those cards. I'm saying that over and over again because if you don't know those cards, you will not be able to learn this flourish faster. first get familiar with those cards. So guys, that was the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, then please go ahead and drop a like, subscribe down below, and share this video. And I will see you guys on my next video. So please put some name in the comments below, and I will pick a good name and change the name of this flourish. Till then, goodbye, take care.